the house. At the house again. Got lots of things in store today. Over this way, reconditioning badly an old door. I'm going to box it out and make it a frame, put some hinges on it. It's going to go for the greenhouse. Come this way, we're going to check out the greenhouse. Loads of plants are growing. Just so you know, we've got my garlics coming through, doesn't need any cover. Broccoli, kale, pea, spinach. My pak choi has been eaten by rabbits, so we've covered it with fleeces or something. But I'm going to put some snares out because I want rabbit stew. Anyway, come this way to the greenhouse. So I boxed out that door, somehow fit it in here, and then it will open out this way and close this way because of the wind, so it doesn't kind of blow open. But if we come this way into the greenhouse, it's about 10 degrees outside, but even without a door and it being still open at the back here, the temperature inside the greenhouse is 15 degrees C. So once I close it in, it'll obviously get heat a little bit more. Tomorrow, I will do a video of a rocket stove trial. So I want to make a rocket stove inside the greenhouse. Kind of just build this up from something I saw on YouTube. So I'm actually going to build out this little rocket stove experiment tomorrow. So you've got the shape like this, and hopefully it should draw quite well. And then I'm going to build a rocket stove somewhere in here to heat up this house. And then I've got all my other seedlings over here. My babies, all coming through. Jerusalem artichokes, some more peas, lots of veggies, more broccoli, some cabbage, some spring greens, some onions. So that's the house. Have you stayed? Out.